everyone. Today I'm here with a new and interesting topic. So before starting my topic, I would like to introduce yourself and that we are all studying here English. So first way to understanding the English is to understanding the history of English. What is the history of English and where can the English is come from? We're starting from the history of English. As we're talking about the history of English, first we have to look at the two major part of the English language, that is the Britain and Denmark. Britain and Denmark will become a separate countries, but after worth of while it would be a combined country because of the dogger lanes, because of the dry stains it would be combined together. So after combining together, the both countries part and doing every work together. But after water whiles, it becomes separated between each other and the dogger line become destroyed. So the next topic is, now I'm going to talk about the major part of English language, that is the Britain country. There was a lot of ruling at that, and the English language is began from the Britain country. So let's start what was happening that. First, Celtic was ruling there. The Celtic was the peoples which are coming from all the regions, and that was the speaking Celtic language. And that was language is now using in the Wales and Scotland and also in the Cornwalls. This language is the first beginning of English language. The some words that were taken in the part of English language is the Celtic language. So after the ruling of Celtic peoples, there would become a ruling of Romans, which used the Latin language. It means the Romeo was the king of that time, and it rules over the 400 of years. After that, after a lot of wars, they're becoming annulled, the ruling, and Germany tribes become attacked, and this Roman tribe, and still they conquer the Roman and the Britain tribes. After the Germanic tribes are divided into three tribes, that is Jews, Angles, and Saxons. These three tribes combine together to make Anglo-Saxons. And these Anglo-Saxons speak all in one kind of language, that is the old English language, which we can't use today's language. That is quite a difficult language to learn for ourselves. And when we are going to talk about the Anglo-Saxons, they learn to be condensed together to make a Daneland, because the surrounding make their ruling towards all the countries and put their odds on all the countries and make their Danelaw. And this law becoming the England, which we can say now the England. Now moving towards the next ruling, that is Viking. Viking persons from these persons are from the Denmark, which is coming towards the Britain to control the Britain power and to make their power great. That's why they use the Old Norse language, which is now the part of all the words which is using in English language. Some words that is means to extend half of English part is Old Norse, and this period is known as the Middle English period, which is continues to this modern language. Now I'm talking about the